Hello everyone, this is Dr. Vivek Nanoti. This video is for 12th standard student passed out and for their parents, of course, and especially those students, those who are aspiring to be an engineer, those who want to be budding engineer immediately by taking admission into an engineering institution, may it be IITs, NITs, government engineering college, private engineering colleges, wherever. But then there are a lot of new choices which have come up, and hence this video. Dear students, please read the slides, the content in this video, and listen it very carefully. I'm giving you an entire range of all new courses which are being offered by All India Council for Technical Education, which is an apex governing body for all engineering colleges in this country. We know there are traditional branches: mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication, computer science, computer technology, industrial engineering, information technology. These are the series and typical branches. You all know these are evergreen branches. There are amazing placements in these branches. After being 30 years into engineering education, dear students, this is my experience that these are evergreen branches. They teach fundamentals of engineering, and you can then opt any subject of your choice. So all these branches are very much there. There are few branches which are traditional, but they are rarely available, such as chemical engineering, biotechnology, because these branches you will find, oil technology. These are the branches. They are old branches, traditional branches. But if you take an example of Nagpur city, chemical will be available in only 2 colleges, or biotech will be hardly into 1 or 2 colleges. So oil technology, petroleum, industrial engineering for that matter. So these are the branches which are traditional, but they are available in very few number of colleges in Maharashtra and in the country itself. So these are the branches, set of branches, which again you can think of, because there is hardly very few number of students gets passed out in these branches. Now, dear students, this is industrialization, globalization, and looking towards the current trends post-COVID. So globalization, new industrial policies, new industrial revolution, we call it as 4th industrial revolution. And 4th industrial revolution talks about, they need what? They need Internet of Things. They need artificial intelligence. They need machine learning. They want engineers expert in deep learning, cloud computing, big data. These are the 3D printing for that matter. So these are the branches, these are the areas wherein the next 10 years, 15 years, these will rule the entire professional world, the industrial world. They are going to rule, and hence AICTE is offering BTech programs and BE programs into these courses also. So many of you are like, you don't know, you know electronics, you know computer science, you know computer technology, but you don't know that there is a proper 4-year degree course into artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, machine learning, blockchain, robotics, quantum computing, data science, cyber security, 3D printing and designs. Dear friends, these are all important branches which I want to make you understand. Now, I will you can see on my screen here, what are the most emerging areas for 4th revolution of industry. These students who will take admission into engineering institution this year will be passing out after 4 years. And after 4 years, which branches, what are those technologies which will rule this thing? I'll just name out, and you can see on the screen. I'm not going to read all of them. Just read and find out where these branches are available, because AICTE is offering all these latest, current and emerging branches of engineering: agriculture engineering, artificial intelligence and data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation and robotics, computer science and design, cyber physical system is something which is going to rule for next 10 years. Construction automation, construction industry has taken a quantum jump into complete automation, dear students. Energy engineering is going to rule the world for electrical engineering now. Food processing technologies, environmental engineering, robotics and artificial intelligence, smart agri-tech. We have agriculture engineering, but let us opt for smart agri-tech now. Smart and sustainable energy, Technical textiles are available, but technical textiles, energy engineering, so many amazing branches are coming up. You are seeing, watching it on the screens. Check out all these, and where you will find the entire list, you will not believe there are 261 branches. Can you believe? When we go for a choice of a branch, we talk about mechanical, electrical, computer science, these days artificial intelligence, cyber security. But no, there are 261 branches which AICT is offering their students. I just came here for this, come up with this video just to make you aware about all these wide range of courses, programs, BTech, B programs available into this. Where you will find this, dear students, go to AICT website. It is you can see on my screen, www.aict-india.org. Click approval process handbook of 21-22, because your session is going to be 21-22, and 2.3, the point number, chapter number 2, point number 3 of this AICT approval process handbook, which is available into PDF format on AICT website. Go to page number 129, note it down, and then you will find an entire list of how many courses? 261 courses. Out of that 261 courses, just go through at least and find out what the world is looking for, what new industry revolution is asking, the talents, the skills, the competencies, what they really want. So these are all the branches available, in addition to the evergreen branches like mechanical, electrical and civil. Finalize your area, learn, study, Google it, and select and shortlist some 5-10 branches. Go to Google again, find out which college, which institution is offering all these latest branches. If you want to opt for these current trends of industries, find out. For example, Nagpur's Priyadarshini group of institution is offering very latest courses like artificial intelligence and data science, robotics and artificial intelligence, industrial IoT, Internet of Things, chemical engineering, biotechnology, aeronautical engineering is a very rare branch. So you will find a group of institution, a college, wherein which courses are being offered. If you are open to travel, leave your place and travel for education, dear students, you can opt for the best current trends and the graduation program into that, so that you will have an amazing career after your graduation itself. Very good placements if you want to create your own startup, or you want to pursue a very good postgraduate program. These graduation programs will help you for having this great career. Thank you so much, everyone.